Hello friends, thanks for joining Create with Janine today. I'm going to be featuring a really cool paper packet and a product line that you are absolutely going to want and that really you just need. Because guess what? It's all things birthday. And all of us know we need birthday paper. We need it for our scrapbook pages and our mini albums. We need it for cards. We need it for gift tags. There's always a need for birthday paper because it's not something that happens at like a once a month holiday. It happens all year long. So let me show this to you, and I'm going to give you some really good reasons why you need this and why it's so cool, and I will put a link in the description below for you to find this on my website. So here's what's so cool about it. First of all, it's bright and it's bold and it's really beautiful and it has lots of fun colors. So you are going to have a lot of different color choices to choose from. Let me show you what this looks like. So we've got all these different colors. You can see from this little 1/2-inch zip strip at the top, close to my heart, always has 12 by 12 paper with an additional extra 1/2-inch zip strip at the top. And the cool thing about this zip strip is it tells you what the order number is, the paper name is, plus all of the colors that are featured here. So you never have any guesswork about which close to my heart colors were featured. So let me show you some of these patterns so that you can see just how beautiful they are. I love them all. They will mix and match very nicely, very easily, because one of the things that Close to My Heart is really big on is having colors match, having products match, having images match. So it makes it very, very easy to work with and also to mix and match. So you can see already these papers here have a lot of those same colors and they're beautiful. Now, we're looking at these and it's very birthday-ish, obviously with balloons and gifts and whatever. You can use some of these for other things, but they are very birthday. Here's where Close to My Heart is genius though. They've added in other papers that you can still mix and match, but this doesn't necessarily have to be for a birthday. So this is really versatile. You could use this for girls, you could use this for Easter, you could use this for Mother's Day, you could use it for 100 things, tons, baby showers, lots. This is a really cute one with some candles on it, and then we have one that's got that beautiful sapphire blue and then polka dots in all of these colors. So you can see that you've got 6 patterns. Let me try to fan these out a little bit better. And you're looking at all the different patterns here, but here's what's so fun about this, you guys. I'm gonna flip this paper over because all of our background texture paper, our B&T, is double-sided. So this is a duo packet. When you flip it over, you've got a lot of those same colors and some of the same look, but they have changed the color scheme. So whereas we had pinks and reds and yellows, which might be a little bit more on like a feminine or softer side, if you have like straight boy stuff or like a really cool tomboy page you want to do, or if you just really are drawn to like the blues and the greens because that's your color scheme for your child, you can do whatever it is that you want. So look at some of these patterns and some of these colors. Now, don't get caught into pink is girl, blue is boy, because obviously you can do whatever you want with the color scheme that you're working with for your birthday or whatever celebration that you're doing. But you can see how different these patterns are from each other. And this gives you a really nice, easy way to mix and match from side to side, from pattern to pattern. Now, here's the cool thing. When you buy this paper packet, you've got 6 sheets. It's a double-sided pattern, but you actually get double the paper. This doesn't just come with 6 sheets, it comes with 12 sheets. So you're gonna get 2 of every single pattern that you see here. Remember, the top zip strip has all of the information so that you know what colors were used, but it's not wasted paper because you can cut off that 1/2-inch zip strip and you've got a really beautiful border or a decorative accent, and you've got that on every single 12 by 12 sheet of paper that we have. Remember, this is all acid-free, lignin-free, best of the best, beautiful paper. But wait, there's even more. So you can buy the paper pack by itself, or you can add an extra $4 to it and get an entire 12 by 12 additional sheet of stickers. Now these are printed on like a cardstock sheet. So these aren't like those little cheapy stickers that are gonna stick together. This is printed on cardstock. And again, you can see those same colors from both sides of the paper that are represented here so that you've got bold titles you can use, you have small accents, you've got tags, you've got labels, you've got little icons. This is going to be something you're going to use all year long, okay? There's still more. If you're looking at this going, I love all this, but I'd have to kind of look through my cardstock to see what I have, to see, you know, what else I would need to coordinate with it. Close to My Heart has already thought of that because guess what? They have a packet of coordinating cardstock that you can buy specifically for this party time theme. So let me flip these out so that you can see you get the exact same thing, 6 sheets and 2 of each design. So a paper pack comes with 12 sheets, 6 sheets of 2 designs. A cardstock pack comes with 12 sheets, 2 of each color. And you can see by looking at this how nicely those colors go together. And most of these colors are featured in the cardstock pack. So stay tuned, look below. I'm gonna have a link on where you can find these on my website. But if you're looking for some really good birthday celebration kind of paper, this is it, and all of it matches. You can get this entire paper suite, the cardstock, the background texture paper with the zip strips, doubles of everything, plus a 12 by 12 sheet of cardstock for, oh gosh, like $23 or something. It's super affordable and you're really going to like it. So remember, it's double-sided. You get doubles of each sheet. It's very versatile, again, not just for birthdays, because you can use things like this for anything. This can be for your kids' school pages. This can be for like a really cute Easter layout or a springtime layout. Again, sky is the limit. So I hope you guys will check this out on my website and start getting excited about the things that you can make with Close to My Heart's Party Line paper pack. Thanks, guys.